Hi guys! Today we are learning how to fix a muted video on TikTok. First, unlock your phone and open the TikTok app. If TikTok has muted one of your videos, it's usually because the audio may have triggered a copyright restriction. Let's go through a few ways you can try to fix the issue. Next, tap the Inbox tab at the bottom of the screen. If TikTok has muted your video, you'll often receive a notification explaining why it happened. Open that notification to view the details. If you believe your video was muted by mistake, submit an appeal through the notification. Provide the requested information and wait for TikTok to review your request. If your appeal is approved, the audio may be restored. If the issue isn't resolved, open your phone's Photos or Gallery app and select the video you plan to upload. This helps you remove any audio that could trigger another copyright claim. Now tap the More or three-dot option to access the editing tools. Look for the audio or volume controls so you can adjust the video's original sound before uploading it. Disable or reduce the original music volume and tap Done in the top left corner. Uploading a video without copyrighted background music can help prevent TikTok from muting it again. If you still want music, consider using sounds available in TikTok's licensed music library instead. And that's how you can fix a muted video on TikTok and reduce the chances of it happening again. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.